Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed a horrible grinding noise coming from the blades of your TM31, you're not alone. This sound usually indicates that there's an issue with the blade assembly or bearings. If left untreated, it can lead to further damage, resulting in costly repairs or even a complete breakdown of your device. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement blade assembly, and a soft cloth to protect the device during the repair. Begin by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged for safety. Carefully use your screwdriver to remove the base screws located underneath the device. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, taking care not to force it, as there are delicate components inside. The next step involves locating the blade assembly, which is situated at the top of the mixing bowl. Inspect the assembly for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you find that the blades are indeed faulty, it's time to extract the assembly. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to it, ensuring you remember where each one goes. You may need to apply a bit of force, but be cautious not to damage surrounding components. Once the assembly is free, replace it with a new one, making sure all cables are securely reconnected. Before reassembling your Thermomix, double-check that everything is in its rightful place and that there are no loose parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the base back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is snug but avoid over-tightening, as this could crack the casing. Once you've finished, plug in your Thermomix and run a quick test to see if the grinding noise has been eliminated. To help prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the blade assembly for any signs of wear and ensure that you're using the device according to the manufacturer's guidelines. If you notice any unusual sounds or performance issues, address them promptly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.